Tired of spending too much time chopping vegetables and dealing with the mess? The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper is designed to make your kitchen routine faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable. This 4-in-1 kitchen tool lets you chop, slice, dice, and spiralize with incredible ease. Whether you're preparing salads, stir-fries, or healthy meals, the interchangeable blades give you the flexibility to handle a variety of ingredients in seconds. From onions and tomatoes to cucumbers and carrots, everything comes out evenly cut and ready to cook. What really stands out is how much time and effort it saves. The sharp 420 stainless steel blades are built to stay razor sharp, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. Instead of struggling with a knife and cutting board, you simply press down and let the chopper do the work for you. The built-in container is another huge advantage. It catches everything as you chop, keeping your kitchen clean and organized with no extra mess. Plus, the non-slip base and soft grip handle give you better control and stability, making it safe and easy to use even during quick meal prep. Cleaning is just as simple. The entire unit is designed to be easy to disassemble and is dishwasher safe, so you don't have to spend extra time scrubbing after cooking. Whether you're a beginner or someone who cooks daily, this chopper helps you prepare meals faster, eat healthier, and enjoy the process more. It's compact, practical, and a true time saver for any kitchen. If you want to simplify your cooking routine and cut prep time in half, this is a must-have kitchen gadget. Click the link below for the best price.